Let's shift focus to some other stories we're tracking closely this morning. RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav's bail plea in the Dumka Treasury case will be heard in the Jharkhand High Court today. The former Bihar Chief Minister was sentenced to 14 years of rigorous imprisonment in the fodder scam case. Lalu is charged with fraudulent withdrawal of 3.13 crore rupees from the Dumka Treasury. Lalu has been convicted in 4 fodder scam cases so far. He will be able to walk out of jail if he gets bail in this case, if he gets bail today. He's already secured bail in 3 other cases. The hearing of RJD Supremo's bail plea was deferred twice after the CBI opposed Lalu's bail plea, citing that he had not served his jail sentence for a single day in the case. Satyajit is joining us live from Ranchi with more details on this. Satyajit, good morning. Crucial day for Lalu today. If he manages to secure bail in this case, he walks out, correct?
Yes, of course. If he gets a bail, if he's granted bail, he will walk out, he will be set free. Since he is on bail in all the 3 other cases in fodder scam. And he is seeking bail in excess withdrawal of 3.13 crore from Dumka Treasury. And this is a day full of hope for the RJD camp, since they have been waiting since November 6th. On November 6th, they were hopeful that Lalu will come out ahead of Deepavali and festival, and they were hopeful that they are going to form a government in Bihar also. But there was a despair and dejection in the RJD camp when it was said by CBI that they need some more time. They have not filed a counter affidavit. After that, again a date was fixed for November 27th. On November 27th, the court finally called a record from the lower courts, because the plea from Lalu's counsel is on the grounds that he has already served half of the term sentenced to him. So court wants to verify and vouch the claim whether it is on records also or not. So the records have been called for. Now all eyes are glued on court today, how the court observes and what is the verdict of the court on the bail petition filed by the Lalu's counsel. Meanwhile, many PIL have been filed for the violation of jail manual.
Okay.
Audio, he has landed up. Lalu has landed in another row, audio viral row. So, in the backdrop of all these things, today the case will be heard. Of course, the experts, the lawyer says that those case has nothing to do with this case. It has no connection.
Okay,
So
we'll be tracking the latest. Satyajit, when that hearing comes up, we'll keep coming to you. For the moment, thank you very much for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.